G'day, here's quite a good parcel of seam knobby fossil material from Lightning Ridge, a bit mixed up, but as you can see most of the pieces have got colour, if not all of them, but I'm reluctant to say that because sure as eggs somebody will find one that hasn't got any colour in it. I'll zoom in, won't move the stones in relation to each other, and I'll move the ruler around a bit. Okay, the rule's in millimetres, and I'll move it around a bit for you. Like you can see, nearly every piece has got colour. Straight down. That's the bottom of the deal. Well, that works, keeping it like that.